Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active because visual voicemail depends on the network. Contact carrier if unsure. Once confirmed, unlock your iPhone 13 and open the phone app. Tap the voicemail tab at the lower right to load messages. If the screen asks to set up now, follow the prompts to create a voicemail password and greeting. This registers visual voicemail with your carrier. Make sure cellular signal is present, so the setup completes without error or timeout. Once your voicemail list appears, tap any message to play and evaluate it. Use the save or delete controls as you go. If you want to keep messages permanently, tap Edit in the top corner to select multiple voicemails and choose Save or move to Notes/Files via Share. Sharing exports the audio so it won't be lost with carrier cleanup. Make sure to regularly back up saved files to iCloud or a computer so you retain important voicemails beyond carrier retention limits. To finish, verify saved voicemails are accessible in Files, Notes, or your cloud backup so they remain even if carrier clears inboxes. If visual voicemail is missing or won't download, try toggling airplane mode on then off, or restart the iPhone to refresh network registration. If that doesn't work, reset network settings under Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset, and then contact your carrier. Many issues stem from account provisioning rather than the iPhone itself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.